Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajinikanth. This is the query asked by one of our Telegram group friend. So here actually its revenue was 5,28,050. I already mentioned all those things: revenue, administrative expenses, and operational expenses, and other expenses. Expenses always be the minus. Okay, it will take out the amount. Okay, so here it is. So I will write only these things. Observe guys, 5,28,050.00. Okay, to understand it's a number, so it will align to right. If it is text, it will align to left. Now again, administrative expenses 65,874.00. Operational expenses 3,50,200.2. Other expenses 58,500.00. Okay, you have to calculate in net income. Here you write net income. Okay, net income. Okay guys, so here you have to do, first of all, what it is, you have to minus this, each and everything, minus from here to this, and this to this, and revenue to this, and add the remaining one. Okay, add the remaining one like this. See, is equal to this minus this. Okay, enter. Again I'll do one thing, it's very easy. I'll log this one, F4, control enter. I'll drag formula downwards. Okay, right, it will minus, right? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so minus from here, not there, minus from here. Okay, I have to minus from here because it is the balance. So we'll move here. It's a relative reference. Enter. Double click. Right. Because it's a relative. After taking the negative minus, so it will come here. After that you have to minus from here. After that you have to minus from here. So instead of doing this much big one, you have to use simple way, is equal to sum of these three things. Enter. Okay, sum of these things. Have to come to start of the formula, click over here, minus, enter. So this is the right answer. Total amount is 53,476. This is expenses. You have, after using of this amount, you will get this amount. From this amount you have to minus this amount. Okay, so you will get like this approximately. See, I did the wrong way here. I will explain you perfectly. Is equal to this amount minus this amount, right? So you will get this amount. So from this amount you have to minus this amount. Have to minus this amount. Again you have to minus this amount minus this amount. Yes. See the total. Okay. This is the right thing, guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for your support. Have a nice day.